In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook language. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our Facebook, right? So let's say if for any reasons you love to change your Facebook language. Let's say if you went to a country, right, and you love to change to the current country. What you're going to do right now, click on your profile, click on the settings and privacy, right? You're going to see the language here, the language option, click on it. Right now you're gonna click on this as well, right? You're gonna see all the languages, right? You're gonna see Hausa, you're gonna see France, you're gonna see Portuguese, like a whole lot of language from here. So you can just carefully come on here and select any one of your choice, right? So since I currently speak English and I'm from an English speaking country, I don't think there's any reason for me to change this, right? So this is for those who love to change this. Click on the settings and privacy, click on the language, right? If you find this video helpful, share it us below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you find this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.